Hi, Mark here. It is Friday, July the 4th, 8:43 Eastern, 12:43 GMT. US session underway. And when I say that US session underway, bear in mind it is a public holiday in the US. It is Independence Day, July the 4th. I believe trading will be somewhat thinner and lighter today. Let's see how the US dollar is looking going into the US trading hours. Two strong days on the dollar index. Yesterday, real strong push all the way up to 97. Gave up a lot of those gains. Same resistance today, 96.76. A doji candlestick for now. Lack of direction. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see something right in the middle of that range. But on the hourly, you can see EMAs have crossed to the upside, bias towards the upside. Buyers looking at the 96.76 resistance area to start the US trading hours. Let's have a look at the S&P at the major currency pairs, starting with the Euro US on the daily. And there you can see not much activity yet, pretty much a doji still for today. Narrow range here between 117.56 on the support side, 117.86 on resistance. Pretty much we're gapped up to start, but sitting where it started for now, not much movement yet. Let's look at the hourly, and there you can see as the US trading hours get underway, selling euro, buying US dollar strength, if anything, bias tilted towards the US to start the day, looking at support here at 117.56. Buyers will be looking up at the 117.86 resistance area. Let's have a look how the pound shaping up. Pound being sold off, broken below the support already that I just put in less than an hour ago. I had supported 136.37, and right now it's sitting at 136.69. Come down that little bit. EMA's crossed to the downside, selling pound, buying US. So US on the front foot going into the US trading hours. There's the hourly. There's the range. You can see testing the support right now at 136.37. Sellers of pound, buyers of US dollar strength to start the getting into the US session. Let's have a look at the US yen. So we've seen strong US so far, euro and in the pound. There to start with was selling US, buying yen. You can see that down to 144.19. US is fighting back. There's the wickets left behind. Now sitting at 144.44. If I zoom in on the hourly, let's see if we can see that US dollar. There it is. Held up at the support level and very gently trying to fight its way back above this 144.42 intraday resistance, looking up at 144.81. If there's demand for US dollar, if the US dollar is able to continue to strengthen against the yen and recoup the losses that we saw earlier. So look at the US dollar Canadian. On the daily, US definitely fighting back against the Canadian off the support at 135.66, sitting right now at 135.96, looking to come up and test the $1.37 area. Let's zoom in on the hourly. We can see the US dollar fight back. There it is off the support area, testing resistance right now at 135.96. That's $1.36. If I zoom out there, you can see on the hourly, there's resistance being tested. So what we have seen today, notwithstanding the public holiday in the US, we are seeing US dollar starting strong. We saw it on the index, and we're seeing it in the majors against the euro, pound, yen, and the Canadian. Let's see how that plays out during the US session. I will keep you posted, and we'll see you at the end of the day session. Good trading.